Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the effect of light on gas exchange in plants. Okay. In plants, two very vital processes takes place and they are photosynthesis and aerobic respiration. Now, for the process of photosynthesis, light is very important. So photosynthesis process in green plants occur only in the presence of light. When light is absent, no photosynthesis will take place in green plants. But aerobic respiration, it occurs all the time in green plants. Okay, whether it is daytime or nighttime, aerobic respiration occurs throughout the day and throughout the night in green plants. Then for the process of photosynthesis, plants, they always take in carbon dioxide as it's a very important raw material, and they gives out oxygen gas. Oxygen gas is produced in the process of photosynthesis as a byproduct. But for aerobic respiration, plants, they take in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide gas. Okay, oxygen gas is important because it is required for the breakdown of glucose molecule in the process of aerobic respiration. Third very important difference between these two is photosynthesis process actually only takes place in an organelle called chloroplast, and chloroplast is present only in mesophyll cells and guard cells which surrounds the stomata in the lower epidermis of the leaf. Okay, so photosynthesis takes place only in mesophyll cells and guard cells of the plant, but aerobic respiration takes place in every cell of a plant. Okay, because aerobic respiration occurs in mitochondria, and mitochondria is a cell organelle which is present in every cell of the plant. So these three are the differences between photosynthesis and aerobic respiration. Now what happens is during daytime, because bright sunlight is present, okay, as intensity of light is very high, so plants, they photosynthesize at faster rate than they are respiring. Okay, so during daytime in plants, due to the availability of ample amount of light, the rate of photosynthesis is always higher than the rate of respiration. Now due to this, what will happen? There is net intake of carbon dioxide gas and net output of oxygen gas. That means the amount of carbon dioxide gas which is released in the process of respiration is much lesser compared to the amount of carbon dioxide gas which is taken in by plant for the process of photosynthesis. Okay, and the same thing goes with oxygen gas. During night, what happens is, due to the absence of light, the rate of photosynthesis in plants is actually nil. It's zero. Okay, for the plants, they do not perform photosynthesis because for the process of photosynthesis they require light, and there is no light in night. Okay, but they perform respiration process, and the rate of respiration in plants during night time is very high. So there is net intake of oxygen gas and net output of carbon dioxide gas. That means more amount of oxygen gas is taken in by the plants and more amount of carbon dioxide gas is released outside the plant. Fine. So this picture here, it actually represents the effect of light on net exchange of gas in plants. You can see here there are two processes, respiration and photosynthesis. Okay, so during daytime, in the process of respiration, oxygen gas is taken in by the plant and carbon dioxide gas is released as an excretory product. But for the process of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide gas is taken in by the plant and oxygen gas is released outside as it is produced in the process of photosynthesis as a byproduct. Okay. Now this photosynthesis process, it occurs only in chloroplasts, which are found in the three cells, that is palisade mesophyll cell, spongy mesophyll cell, and guard cells around the stomata. And respiration process, it takes place in all the cells of the leaf, as it's a very important or very vital process because this process releases energy for all the metabolic reactions which are taking place inside the leaf cells. So during daytime, because of the presence of bright sunlight, the rate of photosynthesis is always higher than the rate of photosynthesis. Hence, there is more intake of carbon dioxide gas compared to the carbon dioxide gas which is released outside in the process of respiration. During night time, as light is not available as light is absent. So no photosynthesis takes place, only respiration occurs, and the rate of respiration is very high. Okay, so what happens is during night time, more and more amount of oxygen gas is taken in by the leaf or by plants, and more amount of carbon dioxide gas is released outside by the plants. Fine. So only this much in the effect of light on gas exchange in plants. In next video, we will discuss how can we investigate in laboratories the effect of light on net exchange of gas in plants. Okay. Take care till then. Bye-bye.